To fix temporarily frozen SHEIN account, this is the video for you. Simply watch the video till the very end. Know about it, so let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix the temporarily frozen SHEIN account. Now you just need to understand why your account is temporarily frozen. There may be various reasons behind it. The first reason may be that you have multiple failed login attempts. So if you're trying to log in multiple times on a SHEIN account, then that may also be the reasons. And the other reasons may be suspicious activity, payment issue, or failed transaction, and all of it. So you just need to stop attempting repeated logins, as this may extend the temporary freeze of your account. The second step is checking your Gmail. See if SHEIN has sent you any email explaining the freeze of your account, and if they have sent you, simply open the mail and see how to verify your account or how to remove the expected freeze duration. So if they have sent you anything, then that's good. If they have not, you just need to open the SHEIN account and click on the option of me at the very bottom right, and from here click on the settings icon and click on the option of your name or anything which shows at the top. So after that, you just need to make sure that your full name is matched to your ID or bank details. Your email and a phone number are also matching and verified and are also active. So if that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to open Play Store or App Store and click on the option of search, and you just need to search for the app called SHEIN and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available for the app, you just need to update the app to the latest version available, because by not updating the app, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to use your account again. So that's it. That's how you can fix the temporarily frozen SHEIN account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.